Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are throwing
Fire truck.
a fire truck. Here we go. Okay, easy. So we've got our page in the landscape position. So we've got it the
Okay.
flat way around, not the tall way around. Okay. So what does a fire truck have? It's a truck.
Yes.
So it has wheels. We're gonna start with the wheels. It does have a hose, you're right. But we'll start with the wheels. So I'm throwing a wheel in front and I'm going to do two at the back. Big trucks that carry heavy loads have more wheels at the back. So a circle there,
Okay.
a circle there, and another circle there. So this truck has three wheels on each side. So six wheels in total.
Okay.
Okay, so let's another circle within that, another circle within that, another circle within that. Okay, now we draw a line through there and we continue the line on the other side of the wheel there and at the back here as well. You got that? Okay, so now we draw an arch over that wheel there and we draw one wide one over these to put it back here. Put it down. Okay, so now we have the bottom of the truck. So we're going to turn this bottom line here into a bumper. So we just do that and we continue that same line throughout the truck. So now we have a bottom line to the truck. That's good. Okay. So we're going to draw a line straight up. Yep. Draw a line just over the wheel.
Okay.
And we're going to bring another line down. About there. Now we get to draw the cab. So we do this. And that will be the front window. We follow it up with a back window that also forms part of the door. Yeah. And okay, your space is a bit tight, but mine is going to have a little window at the back here. Okay. And because it's a door, there has to be a hinge. So I'm going to draw this line straight down here. And I'm putting a door handle on the door. So our fire trucks should have lights. So I'm going to draw a light in there and another little indicator light, a blinker light at the bottom.
Okay.
You got that? Okay, easy. So like we said earlier, fire trucks has fire hoses.
Yep.
So we can draw a spiral over here. So we're going to do this. Spiral, spiral, and then we finish it off with an end tip there and the tip of the hose. So he's got his fire hose. Okay?
Okay.
In this line, we go down there and go there. And we're gonna close it off with a square over here. So he's got his fire hose. Fire trucks also have ladders. Am I right?
Yep.
So we're gonna draw, watch this, a line over here, and we double that line up to form a little long rectangle, and we do another one below it. And now we draw the steps on the ladder. You've got your steps going?
Yep.
I see your markers drying out again. So there we have a ladder with steps on it. And fire trucks also have storage compartments. So we're going to do two over here. One there and one there. And we close this off with little shutters so they have lights there because they can slide up Okay. So back this side, we're going to draw a line here and a backlight and a back blinker light. You got that one?
Yep.
So for this next one, we take the line up till there, and we raise that line a bit, and we complete this line at the top. Now our track is almost done. So what we need now, it's an emergency vehicle, so we need the lights. The
Yes.
lights and the siren. So we can draw bump on there. It's going to be the light. And we also need the big ladder. So I'm drawing a line back here. Till there. Drawing a line till there. And all the way back there. And down. And I'm drawing a little bracket for it. So that just stays on the 2 lines. Can be 2 lines, they can be 2 bars.
Okay.
So now we need to draw the structure of this ladder. So following this first line here, this is going to be slightly weird. We're going to draw an angle in there.
Okay.
Now we draw following that line, upside down triangle. And we do that pattern. It's triangles, one right way around, one upside down. All the way down this framework. Can you see we're creating a nice ladder there?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the strong ladder that can extend and go high up in case the fireman needs to get into a building or any high place. Am I right?
Yep.
Yep, that's right. Okay. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's a fire truck. What we're gonna color now? We're gonna come. Wait, I'm gonna draw some spokes onto my wheels. I'm gonna draw a hub in the middle and just draw some spokes. You're gonna do the same, or you're gonna leave your wheels nice and plain.
Not too plain because on my marker.
Oh, your marker. You're gonna save some of your marker. Your marker's almost done. But there we have it. That's some fire trucks. Easy. I like yours. This pipe is short. You're just gonna reach a bit out and that was a little plain. I like it. Okay, so what colors of fire trucks? Usually, what color are we doing?
Red.
Red. Red and it can be red and yellow, red and white. As long as it's an emergency vehicle. Okay, as long as everyone can see that's an emergency vehicle, but then again, that's why we have the sirens and the lights. Okay, let's color. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our fire trucks.
Yep.
And remember, always keep your local emergency numbers ready or handy.
Yep.
Stick it on the fridge, save it on your phone, remember the number, always be ready for an emergency.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.